Good morning students. Welcome back to class 5 mathematics. Today again we are going to solve some word problems of chapter parts and wholes. So first problem number 1. One half of the students in a school are girls. 3/5 of these girls are studying in lower classes. What fraction of girls are studying in lower classes? So read the problem again. One half of the students in a school are girls. So how many girls? One half of the students in a school are girls. 3/5 of these girls are studying in lower classes. What fraction of girls are studying in lower classes? So, how can we do that? So, fraction of girls studying in school, fraction of girls studying in school, that is one half, that is half. Fraction of girls studying in lower classes, equals to 3/5 of these girls. These girls means one half. That is 3/5 of half equals to 3/5 of means multiply half equals to 3/10. So fraction of girls studying in lower classes equals to 3/10. So therefore write the conclusion. Therefore 3/10 of girls studying in lower classes. So this completes our problem number 1. Next, problem number 2. Sneha reads 3/5 of 75 pages of her lesson. How many more pages she need to complete the lesson? Sneha reads 3/5 of 75 pages of her lesson. How many more pages she needs to complete the lesson? So Sneha reads how many pages? 3/5 of 75. This number of pages. So this one equals to, of means multiplication. So 3/5 into 75 pages. 5 and 75 cancel, you will get 15 here. So 3 into 15, that is 45 pages. So Sneha has to read. How many more pages? 75. Total number of pages 75. And Sneha reads 45. So 75 minus 45 equals to 30 pages. So Sneha has to read 30 pages to complete the lesson. So write the conclusion. Sneha has to read 30 more pages. Sneha has to read 30 more pages. This completes number 2. Next, number 3. The cost of 6 holes of 1/4 kg of apples is rupees 400. At what rate per kg are the apples being sold? So cost of 6 holes of 1/4 kg of apples is rupees 400. We have to find out the cost of 1 kg apple. So the cost of 6 holes of 1/4 kg apples equals to rupees 400. Therefore, the cost of the rate of apples per kg, that is, we have to divide the total cost by total weight. So 400 divided by 6 holes of 1/4 rupees equals to rupees 400 divided by 25/4 equals to rupees 400 multiplied by 4/25. Now if you cut, you will get 16 here. So 4 into 16, that is 64 rupees 64. So the rate of apples per kg is rupees 64. That is, here what we have done, total weight 6 holes of 1/4 kg and total cost 400. So rate of apples per kg apple means we have to divide the total cost by total weight, that is 400 divided by 6 holes of 1/4, and which get rupees 64. So the rate of apples per kg is rupees 64. Now to the next problem. In a charity show, rupees 6,496 were collected by selling some tickets. If the price of each ticket was rupees 50 holes of 3/4, how many tickets were sold? So total money collected. Total money collected equals to rupees 6,496. Cost of each ticket. Cost of each ticket equals to rupees 50 holes 3/4. So total money collected 6,496 and cost of each ticket is 50 holes 3/4. So how many tickets sold? Therefore number of ticket sold, we have to divide 6496 divided by 50 whole 3 by 4, which is equals to 6496 divided by 203 by 4. So you will get what? 6496 multiplied by 4 by 203. That is, you will get 25984. 25984 divided by 203, and by dividing you will get 128 tickets. 128 tickets. So total money collected rupees 6496. Cost of each ticket rupees 50 whole 3 by 4. So number of tickets sold 6496 divided by 50 whole 3 by 4, that is 6496 divided by 203 by 4, that is 6496 multiplied by 4 by 203. Reciprocal. So 25,984 divided by 203, and by dividing you will get 128. You will get 128 tickets. So this is the answer. So total money collected 6496. Cost of each ticket 50 whole 3 by 4. So how many tickets sold? We have to divide 6496 by price of each ticket, that is 50 whole 3 by 4. So you will get 128 tickets.